We're making this currywurst with the Vegetarian Butcher NoHotdog. It is just like eating a traditional hot dog. The texture is the same, the flavour is the same, and we've got some in the show front here. We're going to heat those up and then we're going to show you how to assemble this super easy dish.
This is the Knorr Professional faulty sauce, and then the tomato ketchup.
Okay, so we brought these dogs back in the show front here. So we'll just open some of these up. So we're doing an open style currywurst for this, and we've just made some homemade bread, made some little croûtes here. This is a caraway and fennel bread. These have come up to temperature now. I'm just going to make some little slits in them, and it just helps get a little bit of flavour in. So a little bit of oil into the pan and straight in with our dogs.